Settlement agreements are legally binding contracts that can have serious consequences if breached. What exactly happens when someone violates these important agreements? A settlement agreement is a contract between two parties that resolves a dispute, often to avoid costly litigation. It typically involves one party agreeing to pay a sum of money or provide certain benefits, while the other party agrees to drop their claim or refrain from specific actions. For example, an employer might pay a terminated employee in exchange for the employee waiving their right to sue for wrongful termination. A breach occurs when one party fails to fulfill their obligations under the agreement. This could involve failing to make agreed-upon payments, violating confidentiality clauses, or engaging in prohibited activities. Breaching a settlement agreement can lead to several serious consequences. The non-breaching party may seek financial damages to compensate for their losses. Courts might order specific performance, requiring the breaching party to fulfill their original obligations. In some cases, the agreement could be rescinded, returning both parties to their positions before the settlement. The court may also issue injunctive relief, preventing the breaching party from taking certain actions. When a breach occurs, courts have several methods to enforce settlement agreements. The process often begins with the non-breaching party sending a formal demand letter. If this doesn't resolve the issue, they can file a motion to enforce with the appropriate court. A judge will then evaluate the case and may order compliance, award damages, or provide other legal remedies. If a party refuses to comply with a court order, they could face contempt of court charges. To prevent breaches, it's crucial to draft clear and detailed terms in the agreement. This includes specifying deadlines, payment structures, and any non-compete clauses, including dispute resolution procedures such as mandatory mediation or arbitration, can help address issues before they escalate. Liquidated damages provisions, which specify pre-agreed damages for breaches, can discourage non-compliance. Both parties should seek legal review before signing to ensure they fully understand their rights and obligations. If a breach does occur, the non-breaching party has several remedies available. They may seek compensatory damages to cover financial losses resulting from the breach. Courts can order specific performance, compelling the breaching party to fulfill their contractual obligations. In cases of bad faith or intentional misconduct, punitive damages might be awarded. For severe breaches, the non-breaching party may be allowed to terminate the agreement entirely. In conclusion, breaching a settlement agreement can have significant legal and financial consequences. Courts have various tools to enforce these agreements, and multiple remedies are available to the non-breaching party. To protect yourself, always ensure settlement agreements are clearly written, legally reviewed, and fully understood before signing. If you find yourself dealing with a potential breach, seeking prompt legal advice can help you navigate the enforcement process and protect your rights.